How to convert Facebook profile to page. So first step is to open the Facebook application. Click on our profile and click on the three dots here on right. Click on turn on professional mode. Go turn that on. In this way, you can get paid for your content, see your insights, and let more people follow you. Also, this way will make your friends follow you. So basically, your friends will be your followers. You can also add more details about you and your profile. And when you get back to your profile section, you can view the guide that will let you see what the professional mode is all about. You will be able to see your followers, and if you want to see how others see your page, click on View As. So when someone is visiting your profile, this is what they will see. So that is how you convert Facebook profile to page. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.